Click on the link below to get price. The Audeze LCDX Planar magnetic over-ear headphones are a remarkable blend of comfort, precision, and sonic excellence, delivering an audio experience that caters to both audiophiles and professionals alike. Upon unboxing, the headphones exude luxury, highlighted by their premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The black finish is sleek, while the leather and wood elements provide an elegant touch. Worn comfortably over the ears, the LCDX's ergonomic design prevents fatigue during long listening sessions. The ear cups are spacious, accommodating a variety of ear sizes, and the adjustable headband ensures a snug yet comfortable fit. The weight of the headphones is noticeable, but this is a trade-off for the robust build quality and sound performance. When it comes to audio performance, the LCDX truly shines. The planar magnetic drivers deliver an impressive frequency response, producing deep, resonant bass that doesn't overshadow the mids and highs. Vocals are rendered with clarity and detail, allowing for a truly immersive listening experience. Whether enjoying classical music, intricate jazz arrangements, or heavy bass tracks, the LCDX maintains fidelity and balance, making every genre enjoyable. One of the standout features of these headphones is their incredible soundstage. The spaciousness allows for an engaging listening experience, making it feel as though you're in the midst of a live performance. Instruments are well separated, creating a realistic and dynamic environment that enhances the overall enjoyment of music. The included carrying case is a thoughtful addition, providing protection and portability for the headphones. However, it's worth noting that these headphones are best suited for home use or studio environments due to their open-back design, which may not be ideal for noisy settings. In conclusion, the Audeze LCDX Planar magnetic over-ear headphones are an investment in sound quality and comfort. They cater to discerning listeners and professionals who seek top-tier performance. If you are looking for a pair of headphones that deliver exceptional audio fidelity and a luxurious listening experience, the LCDX is a stellar choice.